everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I don't know what this position was there, but welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to be doing another little day in the life at uni. These are some of my favourite videos to film because I feel like I'm already going to uni and it's just more fun to bring you guys along with me. So that is what today's video is going to be. I'm currently doing a master's at the University of Warwick, Warwick Business School in business with marketing, just in case anyone was interested. And before that I did psychology, just a bit of background there in case anyone cares. You probably don't, but there we go. But yeah, I love watching these videos. I feel like they're very motivating. If I'm feeling a bit like, come on Georgia, you need to do some work, I'll watch one of these and I feel like it just makes me do it because I'm like, everyone else is doing it, I need to do it. I'm actually gonna work at home this morning. I'm gonna go onto campus this afternoon, so I thought we'd have a whole day together. Bailey is just joining me on the bed. I've just done my makeup, a very quick makeup routine. I will actually show you my makeup routine in the next vlog because I feel like a couple of you have asked me that recently, and I mean, it's not very interesting, it's very basic, but I'll show you when I'm gonna do like a bit more of full makeup. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be, a little vlog. We're going to work home this morning, go into campus this afternoon, and yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. So if you're new here, I'd love if you stick around and subscribe. So let's go and make a coffee first of all. First things first, it's always got to be coffee. I've been really loving this like vanilla and caramel cappuccino thing I've been making at the minute, which I'm completely obsessed with. So we'll go make that and then we'll get on with some work. I need to plan my day, I need to do some group work before I get to uni. So yeah, we're very busy. Let's go. Okay, so current coffee obsession. I feel like I get obsessed with one type of coffee, have it for like the foreseeable future and then change. So for now, it's these pods, which are the Starbucks house blends. So I pop that in the Nespresso machine. Wait for that to work. And then I'm obsessed with this Alpro coconut barista because one, it's like, it's got quite a lot less calories in than oat. And it just tastes really like fragrant. I can't really describe it, I love it though. And barista makes sure it froths up really well. And then I froth the milk in the Hotel Chocolate Velvetizer. There we go. And then I will froth this up in the Velvetizer. Okay, and for syrups, these two are the best combination. So this is what I put in my coffee, which is the cinnamon vanilla. I got this from TK Maxx, it was £3.99, it's honestly so good. But on the top of the little cappuccino, I use this, which is the morning caramel sauce. I got this from Amazon, and this is the exact sauce they use in Starbucks, like that caramel drizzle, and it's unreal. So I put a tiny bit of that on top, not too much, not to like overwhelm the trying to be healthy coffee, but just a little bit of that on top makes it so good. Okay, this is the little work of art that just brings me way more happiness than it probably should, but love that. Okay, we're back upstairs. I put my hair in a bun just to get out of the way. I feel like I can never work with my hair down. I don't know about anyone else, but I find it very difficult. But yeah, I'm just going to finish my coffee off, then I'm going to make a to-do list, and then I'm going to get on with the first thing of the day, which is some group work. So basically, in our group work, we're doing a really interesting project, which I'm actually really excited for. So we're picking wellness companies, and then it's like a big report on that. So each member of our group, it's like a new group that I've never worked with before, so it's kind of fun. Yeah, each member of the group picks 2 companies, and then we're going to like pitch them today and pick the best one basically. So hopefully one of them that I pick is going to win. I mean, we hope so, but if not, it's fine. Like, I think all the companies that are like wellness related, like health and fitness or like mindfulness, are super interesting. So I don't really mind what we go with. But yeah, that is my task this morning. I'm going to jump into a little time lapse of some work and a to-do list, and then we will probably go on to campus after that. I just had a very exciting delivery of the Glossy Box this month. I'm just going to really quickly show you what's inside. So, honestly, Glossy Box is my favourite thing. First of all, we got this little brow thing. So I'm going to actually use this. How cute is the packaging? Pink and red. I'm obsessed with that combination at the minute. It says it's got castor oil and vitamin E. So I don't know if that's going to like make my brows grow. I hope not. I don't really want any bigger brows than this, to be honest. But it does feel really nice. It feels like it's kind of locking the shape in place. That is the first thing. This is by the Beauty Crop. Then we've got this, which I've actually just put on the ends of my hair before I blow dried it because I was like, I really want to try it. It's this We Are Paradox 3-in-1. So it's a conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream, and it feels really nice. I've put it on as a finishing cream and then blow dried it, but I feel like it looks really shiny, so that's the next thing. We've also got this, which is the Ritual Sparkling Hair and Body Mist in Sweet Orange and Mandarin. Oh no, Sweet Orange and Cedarwood. I don't know where that came from. So it's a hair mist and a body spray. So I feel like you can just... Oh my gosh, it's unreal. That literally smells unreal. Wow, I would honestly buy a full size of that right now. That's already persuaded me. I love that. That's so good. Then we've got an Illamasqua eyeliner. Then last but not least, we've got a chamomile toner. So that is the little glossy box. I thought I'd just share that with you. I do have a code, which is GeorgiaB, which gets you your first box for £10. And honestly, I couldn't recommend Glossy Box enough. They've been very kindly gifting me these boxes for I think like a year and a half now. And every single month I get so excited. It always has amazing products in. And yeah, I just couldn't recommend them more. Bye, Bailey. I'll see you when I get home. Okay. See you when I get home. It's like I'm ignoring you now. Love you. Okay guys, well the journey went pretty smoothly up until this point, and now I'm stuck in standstill traffic, which is so annoying. I'm literally 2 minutes around the corner from uni and the traffic is just completely stopped. Like it's actually not moving at all. I've been sat here for like 5 minutes. I just don't know what the hold up is. So I'm assuming it's an accident or something. I'm hoping everyone is okay. But yeah, I thought I may as well turn the camera on considering we're just sat here now so we can have a little chat. But yeah, I was really tempted to get a Starbucks on the way here, but obviously I've already had 2 coffees this morning, so I thought, don't do that to yourself. It will probably just make me extremely hyper. It's so funny because every time I have a coffee, Cam can always tell. He's like, how many coffees have you had today? And I'm like, 2. But like everybody must think I'm a complete weirdo as well, just sat here filming myself. But maybe they just think I'm documenting the traffic. Who knows? You know, the worst traffic jam I've ever been in. I don't know if anybody was watching me back when we did a Glasgow vlog. I wouldn't even recommend you go watch that. I don't even know if it's still on public on my account, but I think it was like my second vlog. I remember this was when I had like less than 100 subscribers or something, and we went to Edinburgh. I was vlogging on my phone, and on the way down there it took us 10 hours. Like, it should have took us about 4. It took us 10 hours to get there. That was an interesting traffic experience. I'll catch up with you when I get there. Hopefully I'll actually make it before 2 o'clock, before the meeting ends. So I made it to campus. I've just been to do everything basically. So I had my group meeting, then I had my lecture, then I had my seminar. But yeah, we're going back to the car now. So I'm back home to this beautiful little puppy. You're a good boy, aren't you? I've missed you. I've missed you. Oh, you're such a cutie, you are. So I'm now back from uni. So basically, I thought I would quickly show you what I was actually doing in the lecture. I'll show you that on my laptop in a minute because I feel like you saw the setup and everything, but obviously I couldn't really talk you through what we were actually doing. But I had a social media marketing lecture, which was really interesting actually. It was about like content creation, so I will share a little bit about that with you in a sec. I'll like show you on my laptop my notes and stuff. I had that, and then I had a seminar which was about, it was kind of about how you can mix like traditional marketing with digital marketing, and it gave like an example. It was like a case study sort of thing. At that, obviously I had my group meeting, which was very interesting. We've limited it down to 6 companies we want to choose between. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you my lecture from today so you can get an idea of how I do it. So all my folders are pink, which makes me very happy. But yeah, this is how I'm doing my notes this term, which I'm really enjoying. So for each slide, I do 1 box in the table. So if there's like a PowerPoint that's say 30 slides, there'll be 30 boxes, and I just type in as I go. But every new slide, so say this box is 1 slide, this box is the next slide. For every new slide that comes on, I'll start a new box so that when I come back to revise or do an essay, I can very easily like link to the PowerPoint. Like sometimes I'll put images on, but like in this lecture I didn't, because I didn't feel I needed to, but I would want to know like how I would link up. So yeah, that's how I'm doing it. And then the seminar was like a reading we had to do. Just go through it. And what I really like to do on MacBook as well is download them as a PDF and then highlight them. So I like to highlight them in different colours like this. I don't know, I didn't know how to do this until I wrote my dissertation last year. So you literally download it as a PDF. You can highlight and you can like underline as well, or you can like strike through something to say if this was all irrelevant, I could just cross it out. So yeah, I really enjoy this little method I've got going on of doing my readings. And press the little button here, press text, and then you can like is it text? Yeah. Press text and then you can like add comments to the side. So I'm just a big fan. I feel like maybe everyone knows this, but I didn't know this, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm now actually going to write a to-do list for tomorrow. I thought I'd be super organised. I just ticked off everything so far in the day because obviously that's all been done now. I actually have a very exciting meeting this afternoon. Well, it's like WBS are doing a talk every Wednesday evening with like a different, it's called the Management Insight series. So tonight it's with georgialaurenbirch, and I think it's with their ex-global PR manager, which is very exciting. It's about developing your personal brand, so I'm very excited for that. That's at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to go to that. I'll let you know how it is, and then I'm going to go and make dinner. We're having HelloFresh tonight. We have actually on our last box of HelloFresh, and I don't know whether we're going to reactivate it or not. We've had a few issues with certain things not arriving in the boxes, which is a real shame because I've had it before and it's been perfect, but I mean the meals are still so yummy. So yeah, I thought I would quickly make a to-do list for tomorrow. Tomorrow I actually have a day off, so I have Thursdays off uni, which works out really well for me because obviously my upload day on YouTube is Thursday, so it kind of gives me a YouTube day. So tomorrow I'm going to do everything to do with that. So I'm going to order some clothes for a weekend shoot. I'm going to go take pictures on Sunday for the Instagram because I need to be on it with content this month. That's one of my big goals of Feb, and I just need to kind of get some new bits to match with outfits I've already got, if that makes sense. I'm going to do that. I'm going to make some TikToks. This is a bit broad because I'll just see like what I'm feeling tomorrow. But I'm thinking about making some TikToks on like working with brands and stuff like that because I feel like I've seen a lot of those at the minute and I want to hop on like how you guys can do that. So yeah, I would make some on that, and then actually I need to spend the afternoon doing uni work stuff, so I need to have an economics afternoon. So I'm going to hop onto that call with the georgialaurenbirch lady, which I'm very excited for. It's not just with me, obviously, it's literally like you could just book a place and join the event. So that is at 6, and I will be back and let you know how it was. I just thought I would share a few things that she said because they were really, really good. So she kind of spoke through her own like work story. Honestly incredible. She said these 2 quotes which I absolutely love. So if you're always trying to be normal, you'll never know how amazing you can be, which I actually really resonate with that because I feel like I'm always trying to crop out like the weird bits in my vlogs or just bits that just seem weird, but I mean that is just me, so I could keep them in really. So it's work hard at your job and you can make a living, work hard on yourself and you can make a fortune, because this was all about like personal development. And then I'm going to flip the camera so I can actually chat to you about this now. Okay, I mean this probably isn't the best angle, but I'm just going to quickly give you an overview of the talk before I run to get dinner because I'm so hungry. I feel like when I watch my vlogs back, I think it's abnormal how many times I tell you I'm hungry in a vlog, but it's just true. I'm a foodie, I love food, and I'm hungry all the bloody time. But yeah, the most interesting thing from the speech, I won't like tell you all of it, obviously you might not be interested, but one of the most important things was that she said do this activity where you ask people to describe your 3 best traits. Like, on a good day, what are you good at, what are your 3 best traits, and then also do it on a bad day when you're being a nightmare, when like you're stressed, whatever, what are your 3 negative traits, like how do you react to those situations, and then like compile a list, and then you'll know your strengths and your weaknesses. And she was like, just basically in life, play on your strengths and try and work on your weaknesses, because I feel like obviously everyone has weaknesses, everyone has their moments. I know for me, I'm a bit of a stressful person, like I overthink things and blah blah, and I'm a bit indecisive, I'm not gonna lie. And I feel like that's coming up as a common theme from everyone I've asked Cam, my family and a couple of my friends so far. But I just think it's a really interesting activity, and I thought I would share it with you in this vlog because that's probably my lesson of the day. I feel like I learn something new every day, and today that was a good little activity. So let's go make some HelloFresh. I'm very excited, and then I will catch up with you after dinner. I mean, we can't have dinner without dessert. I came upstairs and tried to avoid dessert for like 2.5 seconds, and now I'm gonna head back downstairs and try and find some dessert to have. I don't even know what we have, but I'm trying to be healthy at the minute. So this is what I've gone for. I feel like it is healthy because of the strawberries and the yogurt. Bit bad with the granola, and I have sprinkled some extra chocolate over it, but all about the balance. So this is what we're going for. Okay, so someone wants to join me. Bailey, come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello. Say hello. I was saying, agenda for the rest of the evening is to sit, enjoy the dessert that I've made. Yeah, I'm gonna have the dessert, watch some celebs go dating. I love like bad TV like that. Like, I know it's a bit rubbish, but I just love it. I love that it's got Miles from Chelsea in it. Love that. It's got Ryan Mark from The Apprentice, which I actually find him really entertaining, and Chloe from The Only Way is Essex. And I actually don't watch that, but I really like her. I'm going to end this little vlog here. Thank you all for watching. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to subscribe to see all my other uni vlogs, I would absolutely love that. It honestly means so much. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.